Well, here we are on Cranky Pants and Starter Hive. We're going to add 2 more honey supers on it because these are almost full, and give them more room. We're June 30th, so we still got July and August where they'll still be collecting in September, so going to give them more room.
These guys are a little hot, which is why they're all on the outside of the box.
Yep.
And that's the Cranky Pants hive.
Cranky Pants, and if you look close, you'll see them fanning too. Right at the entry, you'll see what their butts are faced outward, and they're pulling the hot air out of the hive with their wings. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
See, these guys over here is a bunch of them posting.
Oh yeah.
And fanning. You
Can
see all their
if
butts
I go in front of the hive, is that gonna?
Yeah, you should be all right.
Okay. Get these guys up on their tail.
Yeah.
Again, if I start howling, it's because I'm getting stung. I'll go up behind.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Okay.
We're gonna start with starter one.
Yeah, they get real cranky when I pull the tops off, so you might.
I'm good.
Okay.
Boiling over.
Okay, watch your fingers because he will come after you. We're not using smoke either. I don't like smoking them unless I absolutely have to. That's why I wear gloves, so I don't have to smoke them. They're finding that it takes a few days for bees to settle down once they've been smoked. It's not good for them. They don't like it.
Wow, they're building up above.
Mm-hmm. They're running out of room. And we got these sticks on here so they get ventilation.
So Tom's been working on building frames and filling up these next boxes for him today and yesterday in the heat. And we're all suited up in 90 plus degree weather, which we wouldn't do if it weren't for the bees being too hot.
There, now they got more room.
So this is box number 4, and we're thinking we're going to have twice as much honey this year. So if you're a current customer, vendor, friend, or family member, and there's ways to fix that if you're not, you'll get honey. Actually, do you think I can stand on these pallets?
You could.
All right, there we go.
Space these out here a little bit. That ought to make them happy. Okay. And my famous quote, okay girls, get to work.
Like they aren't already.
Exactly. Get all them bees.
Yeah. Good girls. And then do you put sticks in? On
Sticks
the,
in that way. There's air can
Okay.
come up through the bottom. These are open screened
Okay.
bottoms, so the air can come up through and then vent out the tops.
And other bees and creatures won't get in those openings?
Well, they will, but they can. Let's put it that way. But when they're a strong hive like that, they can.
If you push on the other
fine.
end, I know, but look at.
Yeah.
I was trying to.
They're strong enough. They'll defend the hive.
Okay. Now to Cranky Pants. I'm gonna move your rope. All right.
You filming?
Yeah, I'm still going. It's gonna be a long video. We're at 6 minutes right now. Okay, I'm gonna try to get up above again.
Okay.
Get on this concrete here. Perfect.
Okay, these are the cranky ones. You got it. You got skin showing. You cannot have skin showing.
I know, it's okay, sweetie. I got it.
Okay, you're gonna get stung, guaranteed. You're gonna get stung. You're gonna get stung.
Okay,
So
I'm
if you want
good.
to walk away, this
No,
is your chance.
I'm fine.
Okay.
Like, honey, I'm covering. Don't worry.
Okay.
Got it. You're an alarmist. And if I get stung, I'll survive it. I'll go, ouch. They shouldn't be so cranky. You're giving them space.
Yeah, this is Cranky Pants.
Yay! Okay, I think I can wrap the video up, right? Anything else you want to say?
Not really. We
Okay.
haven't gotten stung yet, so that's always a plus.
Yep. Okay, good deal.
All right.